We're in Ikea. Blaire, I'm not taking a picture. It's a movie.
Oh, I can never tell when you are.
You just shaking the camera. Stop making me laugh. Look at this kick-ass place. It's a nice place. This is what Blaire and I are gonna do our dining rooms in.
Yeah,
and
I
our
like
living
the
rooms.
blue a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty. Look at that picture. It's ugly.
I like the corner cabinet. I'm shaking my head.
Blaire, you're so intelligent. I want to be like you.
Shut up. I really like these bookcases.
These books are real.
Are they really? Who reads?
Yeah, fucking they got words in them.
These bookcases are $300 a piece. Fuck that.
I was recording myself in the picture that I was recording of you.
I like that so much.
It's only.
I just want this.
Look,
to my
this. The table is $150 and all the chairs are $90. So 100 times 4 plus $150. $550 for a dining room set. That's not bad.
No, not at all.
No. Like this couch too.
Look at these cases.
Oh, I like that. Look at this girl. That's a. Oh my god, I love that picture so much.
I know, I really like that a lot.
That's beautiful. That's a big couch. You could have sex on that. Look at this kitchen. It's so bright. Every time I look at kitchens at Ikea, I think of Dylan.
I miss him.
I
call him.
We should hang out with Dylan. My wife spent $4,000 on kitchen. I would beat her into the ground. Look at this mirror. It's a mirror. We could sit here and we could drink lots of alcohol, and that would cure your hiccups. It would. I think it cures hiccups. It does the anti-effect of what Mom does or says. Look at this cabinet behind us, all that shit. Hey, that's got stuff in it. Don't break anything. I'm done with this.